A gun? Give me the freaking gun! What the heck? I can't pick it up! Space? You wanna go to space? Do you wanna go to space? Did you know? ASDWZ458 has a secret workshop? Yeah, he's been working on his rocket ship. He's planning to go to the moon. But anyways, enough talk. Let's go visit ASDWZ458.
Get out of my room! I'm playing Fortnite!
No, it's me, Carl.
Get out of my room! I'm playing Fortnite!
Well anyways, wanna go to the moon?
Oh, okay.
Okay, you call the rest of the groovy gang. Me and Player will be going ahead. Okay, so this place is groovy gang only, so don't tell anyone else, okay? Alright, let's go! Okay, now follow me. So this is what Groovy and ASD has been working on. Feel free to examine the rocket ship.
I'm here.
Hi, player.
Epic.
Oh, the full Groovy gang is here! So are you guys ready to go to space?
Yeah.
Great! Pack your stuff and let's get in the rocket ship! Just enter when you are ready. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Great! Now let's prepare! Okay, now let's start the countdown.
We're
launching
launching in 10, 9,
9,
8, 7,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Let's go! Yeah!
Yeah! We're in space.
Oh, it's turning night.
Yeah, we're in space now!
Whoa, where are the aliens?
Alright, is this gonna become build and destroy aliens?
Hi, space. Hi, moon. Where's the star?
The stars are blurry, but you can kind of see them.
Yes,
Oh.
we use dojos as feel.
Okay. Do you guys feel any zero gravity?
I
No.
only feel
I don't
one.
think
I feel
so.
one.
Cool.
Whoa!
Are we landing?
I think we're near the moon. We just teleported. That's cool.
What? That's cool. We went straight up and then straight down.
Dojos are fighting against gravity.
Yes, that's how it works.
Wow.
We have landed. You guys can exit.
Moon.
We are here! Without any spacesuit. Oh well. Who cares about logic? Anyways, feel free to explore. I'll just be hanging out here. As NPCs.
Oh hey, if you couldn't tell, my spaceship broke. Some materials flew away. Can you help me find them? And bring each item to my friends. Or something. I'm just gonna stay here while you find them.
Oh, hey! Hey, do you happen to know where I could get like a fin for a rocket ship at? If you do happen to find one, could you please bring it to me?
Now go ask people for their signatures.
Hello there, I sim for Bellsworth, and yes, I'm dressed as 416 from Ghost Frontline. Sort off.
Eduardo.
Oh, hey! Hey, do you happen to know where I could get like a fin for a rocket ship at? If you do happen to find one, could you please bring it to me?
Okay, cool. Time to do funny thing now.
Down.
Roaches are fighting against gravity.
Yes, that's how it works.
Wow. Nugget.
We have landed. You guys can exit.
Moon.
We are here. Without any spacesuit. Oh well. Who cares about logic? Anyways, feel free to explore. I'll just be hanging out here. As NPCs.
Oh hey, if you couldn't tell, my spaceship broke. Some materials flew away. Can you help me find them? And bring each item to my friends. Or something. I'm just gonna stay here while
Okay,
you
cool.
find them.
Time to do funny thing now.
Now go ask people for their signatures.
Eduardo.
Oh, hey! Hey, do you happen
I
to know
need
where
you
I
to
could
find
get, like,
4
a
missing
fin for a
parts.
rocket ship
I
at?
really need
If you
them.
do happen to find one, could you please bring it to me? Oh, nice, you actually found one. Hey, thank you for bringing this to me. It's really nice of you to do.
Thanks. This world needs more people like you.
Oh, cool, you found them already. Let's go, Groovy Tights! Thanks, player. However, we just attracted some aliens and we really need to go. But I'll give you a weapon to fight them. See you in the 50-second ending.
Oh, hello! How was your journey? What? There's aliens.
I'm scared.
Where are they? Wait a minute. I hear something in the distance. The aliens. With Groovy Gang, hide. Shoot them with your laser gun. Phew. Good work, best friend. Say, wanna head back? I'm starting to miss Earth. I'm going to the rocket ahead. Just enter when you are ready. Let's go, Groovy Gang! Okay, here we go.
Yeah, we're going home.
Did anyone leave something?
No.
Leave me in the moon.
Okay, good. Let's launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Yeah, we're going home.
No!
Wait, I forgot my chicken nugget.
No.
No.
No!
No.
Alright, we're here. Let's get out of the rocket or something.
Alright then, bye Groovy Gang!
No.
Bye, Carl and player.
Hey, player. You did good today. Thank you for spending time with us. I had a lot of fun. Anyways, I'll see you next time.
Space all again. Space all again. Tonight we roam again. Space all again. Space all again. Space all again. Tonight